Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome to today's Dogecoin video update. And so far the market again is just shitty market, rubbish market once again, unfortunately. And all right, so you made a fake out, came back inside the triangle, and now again you're trapped inside the triangle. Are you gonna actually go again to the downside and finally backtest and fall to the downside as well? That's something we have to keep in mind. And if Bitcoin doesn't make that double bottom, as I spoke today on the Bitcoin update, go please watch the Bitcoin update today, and that's gonna tell you a lot of things. Now I'm really kind of I myself really am pissed off at the market right now. Okay, everyone has had their tough time for themselves as well. Now here we are. You actually made another fake out. Very, I don't know why Dogecoin likes to do this. Go down, make a fake out again, go down. Kind of a very weird market right now. Now, as soon as we're approaching the end of the apex, does it really want to actually break to the downside again and go and completely throw everyone out of the game? Because if you start losing it, if you start losing this kind of level back test, and boom, this is where you're gonna be met. Okay, simple. That's just the technical target out of that descending wedge. And I do hope it doesn't work like that. But in the weekly, though, in the weekly, I was having the hopes and the expectations that it doesn't do anything like that, because the weekly candlestick was actually looking kind of merciful to continue to the upside. Do you see this? That red candle and this green candle is known as a bullish engulfing candle right there. And as far as I see now, if you start to lose and go down to the 15, if you go to the 15 cents, for example, and then backtest the 16 and fail it, then the dump is going to happen. Then we're going to go for the bear market scenario, unfortunately. And just because you're going in for the bear market, it doesn't mean it's the end of the world. I mean, previously we've had bear markets. I know they're very bad, they're very harsh, and they're actually something that we don't need for ourselves anymore. And talking about Dogecoin itself, it's not that kind of, a bad coin itself. It's been there for years, okay? It's been there. But you can already see that every single thing is down. I mean, it's all in Bitcoin. When Bitcoin just starts to go down, it drags everyone else down to the ground. And that's the only thing that sucks about this market, man. I mean, if we talk about the DXY as well, I just want to see the DXY once again. And the DXY is actually turning bullish on the weekly, and it seems like it has backtested, and it seems pretty much that it's going to go to the upside. So when the dollar is actually moving to the upside, this is the comment that I want to give you. And the technical target of this dollar is 99. Okay, so it made a nice W pattern, broke out of it, back tested it, successfully back tested this one, and now it's looking to go to the upside. So as long as you're looking to go to the upside here, well, Bitcoin is going to go down. And when Bitcoin goes down, altcoins go down. And that's the problem. That's the issue. That's the biggest issue right now. And it's been a long time I haven't even paid attention to the DXY, and I had to pay attention to this DXY once again. So what can be done here is, don't trade with all your money, just trade in chunks. Always keep uh, coins like USDT aside. Always keep a little bit of USDT for the dips, and normally I'm talking about big dips. Okay, so here we are with this W pattern right now, from like this, that W pattern, and this looks very ugly. Now the last time that it happened, look, 1st of November. Okay, this is when it started to get bullish. 1st of November, and that's the reason why Bitcoin also started going down. And ever since this was moving up like this, that's the reason why Bitcoin is moving down like that. So if it continues its bullishness on the weekly time frame, then you're gonna have a lot of trouble for Bitcoin as well. If it just continues to go to the upside, it's gonna just drag Bitcoin all the way down. So here we are once again on the DXY, and you can see when it broke out of the W, just as I said to you, break out of this W right now, and then came back tested the W, and it's gonna go to the 99. It's just how it's looking on the charts, and then that's gonna be bad for Bitcoin. And when it's bad for Bitcoin, it's gonna just translate to be bad for Doge, for VeChain, for any coin in general. Okay, any coin that you look at is gonna be affected by the DXY and Bitcoin, in this case, in this matter. So there could be a possibility that you broke out of this resistance there. You could meet that resistance and then still go back down and then continue to the downside. It's still a scenario, okay? And this is where you're going to actually find Doge to have that relief to go to the upside. So it's like it had this consolidation on the sideline consolidation and then broke to the downside. Do you see that? Now when it broke to the downside, this was your level of support previously that turned into resistance. Now the question remains is, can the DXY actually break out of it so that Bitcoin, if it fails, if it fails this resistance and go down, then Bitcoin is going to actually, pump from there, and then Dogecoin is going to pump from there. But the problem comes in that if it crosses this level, backtest the level, then that's it. That's it. I think the bear market will be upon us, unfortunately for Bitcoin. I'm just gonna have to make you aware about that. So be careful out there. And at the moment, yes, Bitcoin is just still looking to go to 39K or the 40K. Just hope for the double bottom. I've been screaming for the double bottom, and if you start losing the $39,000, and I'm actually going to show you Bitcoin right now, okay? So here we are. If you start to lose this yellow line, basically that yellow line, okay, then I see Bitcoin going all the way down to $24,000. And if it goes to $24,000, Dogecoin is gonna look very, very bad, to be honest with you. And there's nothing looking good about it. Only and if and only if you just start to actually hold this level, it's gonna be good. It's gonna be amazing. Because we previously had a lot of touches there, one touch here, one touch there, few interactions here and here and here and there as well. So losing this thing will even result to us saying that this is a very big double top right now, and the height that you went down here is the distance that you're gonna go all the way down once again, and it's gonna scream bearishness. It's gonna scream that this head and shoulder is pretty much playing out, and then again from the top here to the bottom, this is your neckline. Boom, you go all the way down from wherever you're actually forming that head and shoulders. Let's see. Let's just hope. We are living on a thin line at the moment, and this thin line is for the Bitcoin. Is only for the Bitcoin. But at the looks of things, at the moment, it's not clear to say that Bitcoin is gonna go down. We just have to watch if it's going to go down or not, and if it does go down, well, what can I say? It's the chart, it's the market. Can get emotional about it, and we lost. We didn't win anything. Pretty much simple. That's the only thing I can say. And that's it for today's Dogecoin update. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.